If you want to charge your Realme Note 70T, then the only way to do so is by using the USB cable, as there is no option to charge your Realme Note 70T with a wireless charger. So you have to use USB cable and something that provides power with the USB cable. So of course, ideally you want to use a charger or power adapter. In my case, I have this Xiaomi 33 watts charger, and it works just fine. The maximum amount of watts that the Realme Note 70T uses in order to charge the battery is 15. So pretty much every charger works. The only thing that matters is, of course, the port that we have over here. You should make sure that you are purchasing a power adapter that has the same port as your USB cable that you have, for example. So if you use the original cable that we have inside this box, then make sure that we have USB-A port on your charger. And we just need to connect the USB cable to the power adapter, so let's quickly do so. Connect it to the power socket, there we go, and of course the USB-C cable goes into the phone and we can start charging like this. If you don't have a charger or power adapter yet, but you want to, you have to charge your smartphone, and then what you can do is use anything else that provides power through the USB cable. So it can be a computer, it can be a power adapter, sorry, not power adapter, as we don't have it yet. So computer, power banks, and maybe even other devices like other smartphones. If they have power sharing via USB cable, then you can use that as well. But generally speaking, anything that can be charged with the USB cable, if you have USB port and it provides power, then you can use that as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.